I conduct in the afternoon.
The 24-hour voice of the National Weather Service. The preceding signal serves not only as a test of the public warning and alarm for transmitters in West Central and Southwest Florida listening area, but also as a tornado drill done in cooperation with the Florida Division of Emergency Management Offices, originating from Ruskin, Florida. This is a tornado drill completed for Severe Weather Awareness Week and is only a test. For review, to receive weather alerts through multiple means, including by NOAA Weather Radio, and practice moving quickly to the safest. To shelter is often the lowest floor in a small interior room far from windows, such as a closet or bathroom. For more information, visit the National Weather Service Ruskin website at weather.gov/Tampa Bay. Also, be sure to visit floridadisaster.org, where you can learn more about Florida's weather hazards and subscribe to Alert Florida, which is a statewide notification initiative to receive emergency alerts and other public safety notifications within your community. This drill was also conducted to test the same message encoder. The same system will alert only the unless severe weather threatens. This concludes the tornado drill and required weekly tests. We now return to regular programming.
Your Thursday night, partly cloudy. Areas National Weather Service. The preceding signal was a test of the public warning and alarm for transmitters in the Florida listening area originating from Ruskin, Florida. This was also a test of the same system or specific area message encoder. Only the county or counties affected by a particular warning. These tests are conducted each Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon and again between 6 p.m. and 8 p.m. unless severe weather threatens. This concludes the weekly test. We now return.
The 10 a.m. observations for the local area on Wednesday, February 11th. Winter season. Those in the lower 50s. Northeast winds around 5 miles an hour.
Warning and alarm for transmitters in the Florida listening area, originating from Ruskin, Florida. This was also a test of the same system for specific area message encoder. Only the county or counties affected by a particular warning.
Eastern Standard Time. Yesterday, the maximum wind observed was 15 miles an hour from the southeast. The highest wind gust observed was 19 miles per hour from the south.
This is no system or specific area message encoder. The same
Now for the official National Weather Service forecast issued 2 a.m. Wednesday, February 18, 2026 for the WXK-83 listening area.
This is NOAA Weather Radio, the 24-hour voice of your National Weather Service. Warning and alarm for transmitters in the Florida listening area originating from Ruskin,